Good morning, everyone. I'm Shobin Rodrigues, and I'm a student from Asian College of Teachers, Mumbai, which is the best. Um, these 3 weeks have been the best weeks of my life that I can consider in the year 2019. I learned a lot about life, and our trainer Naomi has been the best. I have always had teachers who I have highly looked upon and really appreciated for what they are, but all of them have taught me theoretical subjects. But from Naomi and from Asian College of Teachers, Mumbai, I have learned how to live life and how to be a good human being. And talking about my experience over here, I always thought I am a good teacher, but now I feel I am the best teacher after graduating from here. I'm a professor in Metibai College, and now I know from tomorrow I'm definitely a better teacher. Thanks to my trainer Naomi, and the best decision I feel I've taken in life is joining Asian College of Teachers, Mumbai. And thanks to the supporting staff and definitely our trainer Naomi for helping us and being so cooperative. I did not expect that a person like her can have so much level of patience, at least with a student like me. So I'm really blessed, and I'm really lucky to be a part of Asian College of Teachers. Thank you.